The next type of firewall is Application Level Firewall. It is as similar to Circuit Level Gateway Firewall. The gateway is configured as a web proxy which will not allow the different types of protocols. It can allow the protocols that is already defined on the application level gateway firewall. This type of firewall will be designed to filter the traffic only for the protocols which they are already configured. And it can be act as a proxy server between the barrier as the internal and the external network. Application level firewall will be work on application layer of our OSI model. So in the given diagram, the multiple protocols are already given, that is Telnet, FTP, SMTP and HTTP. So this type of firewall will protect the data. They can filter the data that is based on the protocols they have already defined. If the connection is legitimate, then your packets will be forwarded from the inside host to the outside host.